Hey everyone, I'm from Regrob.com and today we are visiting at MSR RR Signature project located in Thanisandra Main Road Bangalore. So friends, this is the connecting road in front of the project and here is the main entrance gate. This project is built across 2 acres of land and it carries 248 number of units. This project has 2 towers of 14 floors each and it offers 2 and 3 BHK residential apartments. It also has 3-level parking. And now we'll give you the view of a sample flat. So friends, this is the living room with attached balcony. So this is the balcony area. And from here you can take the outside view. As you can see, the living room is very spacious. And here is the dining area. And now we are moving towards the kitchen area. So friends, this is the modular kitchen with separate utility or balcony area. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for site visit and booking, kindly call us at the given number. Thank you.